As we have done with the two topics of the timetable, how to be prepared. So first topic we have discussed about that why do we need a timetable. After that we have discussed that how to make a timetable, and right now we should start making the timetable. The first task of making the timetable is goal of the year. See, whatever the timetable we prepare, we can't jump suddenly with the topic till the time we don't have the clarity that what are we going to do for the whole year actually. Supposed to be right now, almost April month has been over. So just count how many months are left over, and with that, keeping all these months in your mind, and you should start your timetable. So first thing is what? Goal of the year. That is very important for you to first find out that goal of the year. So goal of the year, how you have to understand for that, make a road map. R-O-A-D. What is this road? As we understand that road means it's a path. So here the road stands for, it means R. R stands for the path. What is this path? This path is your reflection. It means before you start making the timetable, reflect on yourself. You should reflect on yourself that what I need to do, how I need to do, why I should do, what I should do, which task I should do. So all this reflection you need to do. Supposed to be, for an example, my goal of the year. I should supposed to be, I have to study. Why should I study so hard? What is the outcome of that? If I'm studying also, so which place I should study, who is going to help me, and also all this kind of reflection, it should be there when you are making the goal of the year. Because when you are making the goal of the year with the reflection, then you will come to know so many other doubts and all, which will give you more clarity about completely year. So reflection means what? It stands with why, what, how, when. It means when, which day, which month you should do. Okay, so all this when, how, what, all these things comes when you are preparing a timetable. So first you should reflect on your timetable before you are going with the completely goal of the year. So have that reflection. Okay, so this is supposed to be, this is a road where we are traveling. So first what you need to do, you have to reflect yourself with a lot of questions and what are you going to do for this year, what are the area where you have to work. After that, suppose you started the journey. You started this journey very beautifully, you are going and all. So when you are going in the road, lot of path you will get. Road number 1, road number 2, where you don't know where your journey will take. So many paths we will get. And what we do, we take all the turns. We are just going from this path, we are going for this path. What is this path all? This is all your, O stands for opportunity. What is this? Opportunity. So it means the path, various path is your opportunity. So you need to understand which path, how you should use. So it means supposed to be, you got the opportunity to enroll for the karate class, you got the opportunity to go for the guitar class, you got the opportunity to have some hobby related class like badminton, whatever you feel like that. Because so many paths you have chosen. You are studying also, you have made the goal of the year, I need to study, I need to go for the badminton classes, I should go for the music classes, I should just go for the vacation. So many things you are thinking, and you have made at least 10 paths. Okay. So what is happening, as we understand, after reflection, we are going for what? We are going for the opportunity to take that. After that, what comes? After that, there will be the place where you will get confused. You are thinking right now what to do, because you are totally packed with everything, and you sometimes it will time also will come where you will feel like panic. Oh my God, I'm totally engaged, I'm unable to do and all, this work, that work, what I should do and all. This kind of things when comes, that time is a very important for us, where A stands for affirmation. What do we understand with affirmation? You need to understand that you need to talk a lot to yourself with the proper planning and all. You need to guide yourself, you need to boost yourself. Okay, in this end of the year, I should not give up anything. If I have planned for the 5 things, I need to do little bit, I need to do. 1 month I should do this task, another month I should just give priority to the another task. In a such a way, you should touch every area, whatever you have planned at all, instead of giving up. So for that, what is the best practice anyone can do that? The best practice is affirmation only. where we could just guide ourselves, what is my next task, how I need to do and all. For that, the very important task, when you merge all these things, then only you will get the destination, because you are not going to giving up anything. You will find your destination with practice of discipline, with practice of lot of determination. So here, what is actually the road stand for? Road is nothing. It's all about, first you should make it before your goal of the year. You should make one road map. It means first you reflect, find out the opportunity, then every day affirm yourself, every day have the gratitude also to what you are getting and all. For that, you should have complete determination in your life. That's very important. Then after that, the very important things, what comes and all, you understood that how to make a road where you have to travel actually. But now you need to divide completely. The goal of the year you have, and you understood this is my interest area, this is my hobby area, this is my study area, this is about my family, everything you understood, and you need to just divide it and just keep on one diary actually. Okay, this is the task for the whole year, I have to do it and all. And for that also you need to do a proper segregation actually. Like supposed to be, when I have made my goal of the year, so what I will be doing, the first I will give to myself, it means me time. What is very important for me? My me time. The second thing, it means a personal time, you could say that. We can say our personal time. Then after that, what comes? Your education. It means your study time. Or the education related timetable, you could say. Then your family and friends. All this will come under your goals of the year, because you need to touch every area of. Then after that, what comes? Your hobby, your interest. In a such a way, you need to have proper planning of goal of the year. Okay, whatever the area you wanted to have in your life and all, just make planning of that. Okay, like that way I have done 10 actually completely. So I will be sharing the timetable of one by one for everything. So before I will be sharing the timetable of like your personal time, how to make the timetable, then your educational timetable, then your family timetable. One by one we will be learning. But before that, you also just figure out, might be you will be having some extra task also where you wanted to just work more and all. This supposed to have written only personal time, education time, family time, hobby time, like supposed to be like that way. More will be there, achievement timetable, so many are there. So one by one we will be learning on that. So today just understand, first of all, goal of the year is very important before making any timetable. Till the time you don't reflect, like the roadmap we have seen that, till the time we won't reflect that where is the path, how many opportunity and all, on how I need to boost myself with my complete confidence level and all, and where I need to reach with proper discipline and determination. That is very, very important for anyone to understand before making the timetable. A timetable is the reflection of someone's personality. A timetable is the reflection of one of the most disciplined person. Because only the one work, if you are doing in your life, you are not going to achieve anything wonder in this universe. So you understand how much organized you are, how much you are giving time to yourself in each area of your life. That is very, very, very important. So reflect before making the timetable. And I hope that you all are going to make a very wonderful timetable first when you plan for the goal of the year. Thank you.